Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download That's Not My Neighbor on PC or laptop. So, the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in That's Not My Neighbor. That's the name of the game. And that's exactly what you want to write in. And then the first result is going to be from IO. And as you can see, the link is Nacho Games IO, and that's exactly what we want to click, so you click on this. And then you get taken directly to the official That's Not My Neighbor game on the IO site, which is basically a site where you can buy games from different creators and then play them, and as you can see it says it's a downloadable game for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. And now, if you're cautious, the exe file that you download is for Windows, the x86 or 64 is for Linux, and the zip is for Mac. Now, the easiest way to get the game is by clicking up here where it says Buy Now, or scrolling all the way down to the very bottom of the page. By the way, there are instructions on how to install it on different operating systems, and descriptions of the game over here, but you can scroll down to the very bottom where you will see this purchase option. Okay, you can also run a demo version, so we can download the demo version for PC, a Mac, so for Windows, Mac or Linux. But if you want to buy the original game and the entire game, here's where you want to click. So you'll click on Purchase Buy Now, and then the minimum price you will have to pay is $3, so $2.99. But you can pay above that if you want to just change this, and you can support the creator that way. And as you can see, it says support the developer by paying above the minimum price. You can add a $1, $2, $5 or $10. To this you can also give the game as a gift, so if you give the game as a gift, you will be able to enter the email address of the recipient who is going to get the gift address, where your payment information will be sent. And then you can choose whether you want to pay with card or with PayPal, and then that's it, you just simply pay. And all these files are going to download for you. Then you just extract the folder, open up the file, and you can start playing. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.